In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Jira, an essential skill for anyone managing projects using this powerful tool. Whether you're organizing sprints or breaking down large tasks into manageable pieces, subtasks help keep everything clear and structured. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working with. This ensures that all steps you take are relevant and categorized in the correct part of your broader workflow. Once you're in the right project, you'll see various options at the top of your screen. Look for the one labeled Issues. Clicking this will direct you to the comprehensive list of issues associated with the chosen project. This list includes everything from bugs that need fixing to tasks that are yet to be completed. Next, locate the specific Jira issue where you'd like to add your subtask. An issue in Jira is essentially a single, granular work item that your team needs to address. By opening the issue, you'll see detailed information and options relevant to it. Once inside the issue, direct your attention to the top section where the issue's name is prominently displayed. Right beneath it, you'll notice a button labeled Add. Click on this to bring up a small menu of options. From the options available, select Child Issue. This is the moment where we transform a general task into something more actionable and specified as a subtask. This choice is crucial because it establishes the hierarchical relationship necessary for subtasks in Jira, ensuring that they are linked appropriately to the parent issue. With the child issue option selected, now's the time to define the specifics. Think about what exactly needs to be done. Be as detailed or broad as suits your workflow. This description will guide whoever is tasked with completing the subtask. Once you've entered a clear and concise description of what this subtask entails, proceed to click Create. This action officially adds your subtask to the issue, laying the groundwork for more detailed planning and execution. The final step is all about customizing the newly created subtask to meet your project's needs. Click on the subtask you've just created, and you'll find a variety of fields to fill out. These include adding a description, assigning the task to a team member, and defining labels that might help others quickly understand the scope and context. It's at this stage that you can really tailor the subtask to ensure it aligns with your team's processes and goals. And there you have it, your subtask is fully created and customized, ready for the next steps in your project management journey. By breaking down your work into these smaller tasks, you can improve understanding, accountability, and productivity across your team. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.